Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Saturday. Hope everyone had a good weekend so far. Everybody's staying safe. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing due. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below where you can get one at a low cost and see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. Get it fast shipped to you. All you gotta do is add it to your cart right now. Check out, and they'll have it shipped to you really fast. Oh, about to see what's inside. Go. Oh yeah. What we got here? Box goes down below. And Cornfield Audio this is coming from. I do believe it's Linklike. Ooh, nice packaging. FIY9 neckband Bluetooth earphones. Sweet. So you guys need an extra set of headphones for the gym, your workout, your jogs, your bike rides. This would be a good one to get, especially if you're on the road a lot. You can use these as a form of communication too. Ooh. Let's see. Bada boom. Oh yeah, look at these. Nice color. Oh yeah. Hey, come on out. There we go. Oh yeah, these are nice ones. Really flexible for the neck. Yeah, what is this? Hopefully you guys can see it. Doesn't look that clear on my side. Here we go. See, that's a little bit better. Linklike. And there's the volume controls, I think. Somewhere here. Oh, right here. Here it is. Power. Volume plus. You can change the tracks. I think it's for Android and iOS. So I got my iPhone right here. Ready to rock and roll. Let me double check that though. I do believe this is waterproof too, sweatproof. Enter pairing mode. Ear tips, left earbud, right earbud, volume up button, multi-function button is one in the middle. LED indicator. 8 is micro USB charging port. Be over to the rainbow. I think it's right here on the side. See it? That's USB where it goes. Okay. Power status. Pairing will show you how to do that. You could reset it. Specs. Bluetooth versions 5.0. Transmission range 33 feet. Charging time 3 hours. Model sensitivity 105 decibels plus 3 decibels. Music playtime is 16 hours. Standby time is 480 hours. That is really good. Caution, use Bluetooth temperature between 0 degrees and 45 degrees. Alright. I can connect USBs 2.0 interface. Shall only be connected to a USB interface of version 2.0 or higher. Right on. Alright. So we got that covered. And oops. On here. Lift. Here's some extra goodies. Got the replacement earbuds. And this is the USB charge cable right there. Whoops, timber. Everything falls down. Here we go. But we all know what these, I got so many of these USBs. But it's always good to have extra. There we go. Oh, somewhat. Dang. There we go. We got it. Get off me. There's the USB. La la. Ooh la. Okay, and the earbuds replacement. We got the headphones or earbuds right here. About to power this thing out. Where's the indicator? There it goes. Okay, it's flashing, so it's gotta go on your iPhone or your Android. I gotta enter my password. Scroll down to the Bluetooth. Oops. Bluetooth. I'm still getting used to this iPhone too. Bear with me. Not sure which ones I am. Settings. Hold on one sec. I gotta find. Yeah. Okay, dokie. I found them. Let's see if we can search. Did it connect? Bluetooth. There we go. Okay. That one. Or no, is this one? Linklike Fly 9. Put these on. I wish you guys could hear them, but I'll let you know how they sound. Definitely check them out though, YouTubers. If you guys need, like I said, a backup one, always good to have a backup. Okay, it is connected. We are rocking and rolling. I like how they got the little, I don't know if you guys can see it, speakers. Let's see how these sound. So it does work on the iPhone. And I'm about to test this thing out. Go on YouTube for a second. Oh, where did he go? From here. Not now. Alright, let's see. Sounding good so far. Whoops. Oh yeah, these sound really good. Here we go. Bass sounds really good. Yeah, these sound really nice. Clear sound. Great bass. Sounds really clear. Yeah, I'm really impressed with these. These are really nice, YouTube. You guys gotta check these guys out. Linklike. Okay, that is really good sound right here from these guys. From the Linklike. Oh, they got, bam. So you can just hang them in your locker, stuff like that. At work, you can also use it as a phone. But look at that. Really flexible, easy to store away. Throw in your gym bag or anywhere, your purse, your, what's that thing called? Fanny packs. If you guys still use them. See, look at that. Magnetic. This is a IPX7 waterproof HiFi sound. Noise isolating quad drivers. I mean, these sound really good. I'm not just saying it just to say it, but really impressed with the bass, the clarity, and great gift to give to anybody, maybe your trainer or anybody, your family, friends. These are really nice to have. You don't have to go bankrupt buying earbuds. These are the ones to get for this year. Look at that. You got the quads. Really nice design. Like I said, they're really comfortable too. I didn't have no problems with them. Easy to hook up. Great sound though. Definitely happy with this. So definitely YouTubers, you guys gotta check them out. Take the challenge. Try it out. Don't be late on it. You never know, these might sell out fast. So look at that. Really nice design. Really cool. Alright, YouTubers, you guys have a good weekend. Be safe and see you guys soon.